Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you a new ugali recipe that will have you licking your fingers, plus this delicious fish recipe perfect for dinner. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. I'm going to start by washing my butternut here. I'm going to go in with some water and then I'll wash this out properly. And then I'm going to go ahead and dry it with my towel over here. I'm going to quickly rewash my butternut. And then I have my body here. I'm going to go ahead and chop it into tiny bits. This one doesn't even have seeds. And then I have my pot here. I'm going to add my butternut in and then I'm going with some water to slightly cover it. And then moving on, I have my fish here. I'm going to go ahead and prepare my fish. I have another plate. After a few minutes, my fish is now ready. And then here my butternut is just ready. As you can see, it's tender enough. Here I have my basin again. I'm going to go ahead and now wash my fish. So for my fish I always use warm water. You can use warm water or hot water. And I always wash my fish at least 3 or 4 times. So the trick here is don't drain the water and then leave the fish in your basin. There's going to be sand at the bottom of your basin, so if you do that, you'll just be carrying the sand from this water to the other water. Your fish won't be clean. I'll just use this spoon here to collect the fish and then I'll add it to the plate that I have over here close to me. And then now for the last round, and then again make sure you rinse your basin each and every single time before you clean the fish again. Now this is the third time, I'm going to go in with some vinegar. I have my vinegar here. Let me go in with a tablespoon. Let me just let it sit here for a few seconds before I wash it off. Oh, I love the color now. You see how clean this is now. There's a big difference, right? And in the end, this is what I have here. Moving on again. I'm now going to prepare my vegetables. I have my small onions here that I already peeled and washed. I'm now going to go ahead and chop them. For my onions, I'm going to go ahead and chop them across process I'm doing over here. And then for this last one here, I'm going to chop it finely. I'll set my onions aside on my plate here. And then right here, I have 3 medium-sized tomatoes. I also already washed them. I'm going to just chop them the African way. You can use a board. I'll set my tomatoes aside again. I'm going to set my coriander aside over here close to my onions again. Moving on, I have my pot here, I'll fire up my stove. And then now I'm going to go with some cooking oil. I'm going to go ahead and test my oil. The bubbles in it, it's just ready. After you add your fish like this, let the lower ones cook for a little while before you stir it. If you stir it immediately, it will break your fish. When it begins to turn a little golden brown, then you can now start stirring continuously. I now feel like it's right side. You see how it looks. And do it continuously so that all your fish cooks uniformly. This is just ready. I'll remove this and set it over here in my silver plate that I'm holding. I already added my onions in. I'm going to fry them to golden brown. Now I'm going to go in with my tomato. I'll add in some seasoning, this chicken flavor, and then I'm going to go in with my coriander too. A tablespoon of this. I'm going to go in with some salty taste to soften my tomatoes too. And mix everything up. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover this up so my tomatoes can soften. And I'll cover this and then I'll mix it up. Now I'm going with my fish. And for this I'm going to go in with a little milk and some water and a little coriander. I'm going to cover it up and then I'll bring it to a boil. So moving on, while my fish is cooking over there, I have my butternut here, and then right here I have my white bowl. I'm going to go ahead and add this butternut I'm going to be working with over here. And then now I'm going to go ahead and use my spoon here to mash this. Okay, I'm lucky it's so soft. I'm going to add it back to the pot. Actually, I'm just going to be using the same pot here. Now I'll add in my water. I don't know, maybe I need to add a little more. I'll add it in again. Now I'm going to transfer my pot to the stove and then I'll bring this particular water to a boil. is ready. I'm going to go in with my maize flour. I'm going to spread it and then I'll let the water pass through it. Now I'm going to start cooking my ugali. My ugali is just ready. I'm going to go ahead and round it up now. I'll cover it up and then I'll let it simmer for a few seconds. Oh. It's been a while since I had a yellow ugali. I'll round up my ugali again. Cover it up. I have my pot here. I'm going with my oil. I'm going to be preparing my vegetables now. I'm going to go in with my onion. So I'm going to go in there. I'll have it with my beta mix. The vegetables are ready. Our dinner is ready. I hope you liked today's video. Check out my other Omena recipe that I did a few months ago, or maybe a year. I know you're going to love it too. Check out my kienyeji ugali recipe. It's up on my channel. Check out my dinner recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. And I hope you like today's video. Bye.